Hello everyone, my name is Carmel Henry, and in this video I'm going to provide a brief reflection on my experience while completing Assignment 1, creating a web-based tutorial for a research database. The research database that I chose to examine was Westlaw. As a legal professional, I've utilized Westlaw many times. However, during this assignment, I wanted to explore Westlaw from the lens of a law librarian and how it might be useful to patrons who visit the law library. During this activity, I found that Westlaw has wonderful features. For instance, its KeyCite feature. KeyCite allows users to determine if their document is still good law. Westlaw has 3 KeyCite features: a blue flag, a yellow flag, and a red flag. A blue stripe flag indicates that the document has been appealed to appeals court or the Supreme Court. A yellow flag indicates that there is some negative treatment, however, the case has not been overruled or determined unconstitutional. A red flag is like a danger, a warning flag. If you see a red flag, that indicates that something has been amended, repealed, or determined to be unconstitutional. You should pay attention to these features. Westlaw also allows you to narrow your search by federal, state. You can also narrow your search by the type of law or area of law that you're interested in, if it's bankruptcy law or tax law or family law. The Boolean features that we discussed earlier in the semester were also featured directly on the Westlaw Advanced Search page. As someone who is not as familiar with the Boolean features, I found this to be extremely helpful. In addition, Westlaw includes Boolean features that we did not go into great detail about in this course. For instance, you can search within a few lines, you can search within a paragraph. So if you're looking for the words alcoholism and mental illness in the same paragraph, you can put that in the advanced search feature using the Boolean connectors and expanders. One thing that I did not like about Westlaw, and I never realized it as a legal professional, Westlaw, however, is limited in terms of its secondary sources. Now, I don't mean to say that Westlaw does not have an abundance of secondary sources, because it does. So if I'm looking for law review articles or law journals, I can find that information on Westlaw. However, if I'm looking for something that doesn't necessarily relate to the law, but relates to those individuals who practice law, Westlaw may not be the best research database to use. For example, in a previous assignment, I wanted to determine what is the relationship to practicing law and alcoholism and mental illness. When attempting to conduct this type of search in Westlaw, I was very limited in my search results. Even the secondary sources revealed more actions about intoxication and the unethical practice and how it leads to a failure of fulfilling your duties as an attorney. However, none of them really went into great deal about the mental illness around alcoholism and how the legal field can lead to a steady mental decline of individuals. As a result, I would recommend that researchers use JSTOR or ProQuest when conducting these types of searches. However, Westlaw is a wonderful research database, particularly for case law, and that is exactly what it was designed for. I hope you all have enjoyed my website and my tutorial. If you have any questions, my contact information is located directly to the right of this video.